In this example, I want to create 10 workbooks. I specify their name using Excel VBA, and this is the result, all 10 of them. Even if I click on one of them, you could say I created even worksheet, my new workbook 1, sheet 1, my new workbook 1, sheet 2. So let's see how this is done, okay, in a very simple way. So all what I have to do is I will click on this button, and I did a loop, so it will repeat itself 10 times, and every time it goes to this specific folder, which is the file. As you would see here, the file are increasing by number, so we specify those location and we specify the file name, okay, so it will get increased automatically, okay, all the way till 10. So all what you have to do is the following, like right click, assign macro, and you have to write this. Let me just get you over it like really quick. So find book name as a string, and you find I as an integer for the sake of the loop. First, to start with the book name, which is a string. It is the trial sheet, the one we are on it now, okay, and we copy the name from the cell text. So we have here cell 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 to, so those values will be increased using the loop. So I will take the value between 1 and 10, so it will be 1 2 3 2 4 2 all the way down. So we have here workbooks add. We define cell saving the name in this location, specific location. We put this sign in order to write the name the way we want, to save it the way we want, as well as we define the active sheet name, the one, so because once you created a workbook, it has already one existing by default, so we want to change its name, and then we added a new one. And here, just for the sake, when you click on save, when you want to close the file, literally like at the end of it, we want to close this workbook because we want to open a new one. So we said active workbook.close, save changes equal to true for the file to close, okay. And you have the ordinary way, which I don't like much, so it gives you this dialog box, and you write the name and the file will be created. So if you have any question, I left my email in the box description below.